Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Suzuki Wagon R. This vehicle has a problem with the transmission. Look at the dashboard. We have a transition light. So I'm going to use the thinker machine to identify the main fault code. So I'm going to scan this vehicle. It's a Suzuki under the Alto generation, by the way. So we are scanning. So under auto search, okay, so you need to wait. Okay, WagonR. So under TCM, so the engine auto, under ESP system, okay, please wait. We need to read the fault code. See, we don't have any fault code on the system, but we still have the light on the dashboard. So I'm going to, under special function, I'm going to do what we call the learning value initialization. So the function used to initialize learning value required for CVT function. So you need to put ignition off, then turn the switch off. So you need to turn the switch off like that, then okay. So you need to wait. So we have remaining 1 second. Turn the ignition on. So you need to turn ignition on like that, then okay. Operation completed. So I think we are done. See at the dashboard, we don't have that the CVT line on the dashboard. So in this video, the problem was CVT initialization.